start with the warm milk first, and then we are adding vinegar to it and keep it aside. Give it a gentle stir. So this is also a 1 bowl recipe like all other recipes. So first all-purpose flour, then goes the sugar, and then the milk powder. Give it a quick stir. In goes the baking powder and baking soda. And then mix it nicely, and then we will keep pouring our liquid ingredients. Now we have this milk. You can see how beautiful it looks now after adding vinegar to it. This is going to help it rise, and the crumbs will be beautiful. Oil. And now using cut and fold method, mix it gently. Because this is a vanilla recipe, so you have to add vanilla essence to it, and color is completely your choice. Let's add vanilla essence and color and then mix it. Completely your choice. And vanilla. So pour your 6-inch tins, tap it for a couple of times and then bake it. So around 30 minutes, this is how beautifully it's baked.